FPS here. Today I'm just going outside and just taking a walk because I'm tired and I just want to get this out of my system and stuff. Sorry I'm a little tired. Sorry I'm a little not enthusiastic right now. But I'm just tired. So yeah. So I just want to make this video to get it out of my system. Yeah. Let's just get it over with. So yeah. I'm just going to go up the hill and just take for a walk. And see if there's like anything happening. Anything awesome that's new on this thing. If I see a cat, then I'll just look at a cat. Then if I see a dog, I'll just look at a doggy, and I'm just looking at a car right now. Don't know what that is, but okay. So I'm just going up, down a hill because it'll probably give me energy and stuff. So I'm just gonna stop there and look at anything. Just look at anything right here. And then I'll turn around and then go back down the hill. My trip is coming up, so yeah. And well, hopefully I'll just have like a lot of awesome things going on and fun things doing. Like either going to the grocery store or something. I just want to do something fun. People, alright, other kids that, if anybody out there that doesn't like grocery shopping or does like grocery shopping, I'm one of those girls that like grocery shopping because with my mom and stuff. But things I like to do, and that's some things. Okay, yeah. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, me going for a walk and stuff. It's not really a walk, it's just going up the hill right over, just going up the hill right over down, like over here. And I'm just stopping here because I'm tired. I just want to go back in the house, so yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you if there's any other question, before I want to start my Q&A video soon, if there's any questions you want to do, say to me before I do my Q&A video soon. You can do that. So yeah, hope if you like this video so much, comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah, see ya, bye.